we get some power, like, and you can do like any weights, like something like.
That is that was from Vladimir Shmondenko, or as millions know him online as Anatoly.
I just want to ask you, like, how much time I need to do the same weight, like. Like nice. 4 is like this, like 1, 4.
Looks heavy. It looks good.
I just want to ask you,
yes.
Like
bench
how much
press, right?
time I need to do the same weight, like.
Deadlift. Yes.
But it's okay if I will try. Like 4 is like this, like 1, 4.
Looks heavy.
I will be like
looks
fast.
Good.
I will just like try to lift it, but I
bench
don't.
press, right?
Yes.
Can I try this?
Deadlift. Yes. No.
But it's okay
but why?
if I will try.
I know, yeah, I'm skinny, but
oh yeah, I will be like. I
thought like it's
I will
easy
just like
because
try
you
to lift
do like
it, but I don't.
Something happened in
Can I try this one?
yeah, but I have insurance. I have insurance in this gym. No. Also.
But why?
I have the number. I know, yeah, I'm skinny, but
Hospital, you know.
all good. Don't worry about it.
I thought like it's easy because you do like very simple.
Something happened in medicine.
But how much time?
Yeah, but I have insurance. I have insurance in this
1
gym.
week, 2 weeks.
Also. No, I have the number for. No. All good. Don't
I'm
worry
serious.
about it.
You're gonna break yourself, really.
No. Please. Yeah, I know.
But how much time?
It's all about consistency.
1 week, 2 weeks.
But I work here 5 years.
No. Samantha, can you show them something?
No. I'm serious.
You're gonna break yourself, really.
No. Please. I never doing this, but yeah, I know. I
You
want.
can't put one plate, okay, but too much for you.
No. But I work here 5 years, but a lot of girls here also. They look at me, and she look at me, and
Can you just hold them up?
please, I wanna just try. I never doing this, but I want.
You can't put one plate, okay, but too much for you.
No. But a lot of girls here also. They look at me, and she look at me, and yeah. Please, I wanna just try.
Samantha. Oh no. I don't know, like. Why you tell me?
How can you do it one hand and not possible to do it two hands?
Because Samantha give me for 1 hand only power.
I don't know. I did two hands.
I don't know, like.
Oh, it's not heavy.
Why you tell me?
How can you do it one hand?
It's my first time.
Because Samantha
But I
give
don't
me
know.
for 1 hand only power.
Fake? You using fake weights?
No, it's real.
It's real?
Yeah. I did two hands.
Oh my god! I don't know. Oh, it's not heavy.
Anatoly is back and he has a clue. Dressed as a gym trainer,
It's my first time. Really. But I don't know. It's a fake. You using fake weights?
No, it's real.
It's real?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Anatoly is back and
Так.
as a gym trainer, slips into
Okay.
the gym without raising.
Can I help you? Okay. Воу. Полегче. Ага, okay.
Everyone's left.
Sorry. I think you are doing it wrong, this exercise.
Really?
Yes.
You and those? Coach, bro.
Yes, I'm trainer.
No.
I'm trainer. Can I help you? Okay. Bro, I think you make mistakes. Yes, you are doing it wrong, this exercise. Sorry. Okay. I think you are doing it wrong, this exercise.
Really?
Yes, yes.
You and those? Coach, bro.
Yes, I'm trainer. I'm trainer here. A little bit. Bro, I think you make mistakes. It's big. It's really big weights. You are doing it wrong. You need this exercise. More legs working. Okay. I'm sorry. Big mistakes. You need legs working. Sorry, my name is working. Okay. I look your training is not good. Oh, it's big weights. I don't have muscle. I don't have big, strong, it's really big weights. Knowledge. You need more legs working. It's really? It's big mistakes. You need legs working. More legs working. Big weights. I don't have muscle. I have knowledge. It's big weights. I don't have muscle. My name is Anatoly. I am trainer in this gym many years. And I am the best coach in the world. Конечно, мускулы есть, но силы нема. Yes. I show you my don't have muscle. I have knowledge. This is not good position. My name is Vladimir. I am trainer in this
Если
gym
не веришь,
many,
то
many
придется
years,
сказать,
and
доказать.
I am the best coach in the world. Конечно, мускули є, но сили нема. Yes, warm-up. Якщо ви взяти там, наприклад, полянку якусь накрити, то я можу там салка нарізати, колбаску на сковородці піджарити, і щоб ви тренувалися
Если не
після того
веришь, то
місця, ні?
придется, так сказать,
Warm-up is
доказать.
very important, okay? Okay, no. Okay, please. It's for my warm-up. Якщо це взяти, там, наприклад, полянку якусь накрити, то я можу там і салка нарізати, колбаску на сковородці піджарити, і щоб ми тренувалися після того місця, ні? Warm-up is very important, okay? Okay, no. It's pills. It's secret pills. We have a special. Its name pills. Juices. It's booster testosterone. Barbariska. Do you know this? It's my secret pills. Secret anabolic. 10. Your back position and the legs working. It's pills. Maybe you need. Тогда я сейчас покажу тебе, как работает booster testosterone. And sorry? Stand 10. Your back position and the legs working. Maybe you need. Тогда я сейчас покажу тебе, как работает. Stay focus. And it's good. Oh, it's good technique. My name is Vladimir.
Okay, nice.
The best coach. Nice to meet you. And I have a present for you. It's for you.
It's secret.
And it's for you. Thank you. It's special method, bro. It's good. It's
Sorry.
oh, I have a little anabolic. It's good technique. My name is Vladimir.
Okay, nice.
It's my secret. Coach. Nice to meet you. And I have a present for you. Yes. My name is Vladimir. And maybe you need Barbariska. It's special method, bro. It's for you, bro. It's
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
yeah. I have a little anabolic. You know, douches. It's my secret. Before training, one pill. Yes. My name is Vladimir. Maybe you need Barbariska. It's for you, bro.
The Anatoly prank series is ramping up, and for the grand finale, he saved his father's.
This is very good weight. Thank you. Very good technique, sir. Very good. Yeah, squeeze back. Stop. Maybe do.
Too much for you, brother.
Can you do it? No. Oh, clean. Good form. For back, yeah. Very good weight. Back exercise. Thank you. Very good technique. sir. Very nice. Very good. Maybe squeeze back. Can I do with you? Stop. Maybe do.
Too much for you,
One
brother.
rep. Can I do it? No. Okay. Maybe can I do with you? Sorry, yeah? For back, yeah? Oh, back exercise. One set. Very nice. One set. Okay? Oh, maybe can I do with you? Second. One rep, please. I'm beginner in the gym. Okay? Maybe can I do with you? Sorry, yeah? Okay? Oh, it's one set. Very one set. Okay? Oh, nice. Second. I'm beginner in the gym. Nice weight. Is this good? Is okay?
Wow.
Okay. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Пойду убираться. Yeah. Up, down. Up. Oh. Nice weight. Is this good? Is okay? You big. Bigger than me, man. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Пойду убираться. Yeah, good. Up, down. Thank you. It's clear. You big. See you, man. Bigger for me. Thank you, man. See you. Thank you. See you. Very good. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Oh, it's clear. Yeah. See you, man. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. See you.